Welcome back. Today we are continuing Unit 4 Physical Education and Children with Special Need. So let's get started. Today we are going to discuss type of disorder, its causes and nature. In physical education, you will study mainly 5 types of disorders. One is ADHD, second SPD, ASD, ODD and OCD. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It is a medical condition that affects how well can someone sit still, focus and pay attention. The individual with ADHD have some problem focusing in some activity. This type of disorder is found more common in boys than girls. There are 3 types of ADHD. First, inattention. In this, a person wanders off task, lacks persistence, is disorganized, has difficulty in sustaining focus. Second, hyperactivity. It means a person seems to move about constantly or excessive movement. In adult, it may be extreme restlessness. This can be managed by counseling, lifestyle changes and medication. Symptoms of ADHD are trouble in paying attention, careless mistake, trouble in sitting even for short term, daydream, acting before thinking, self-focused behavior, difficulty to keep emotion in. Causes of ADHD might be heredity, structure and function by brain, premature birth, low birth weight, any physiological problem. Sensory processing disorder is a condition in which the brain has difficulty in receiving and responding to the information that comes in through senses. It refers to the way nervous system receive messages from senses and then turns them into proper motor and behavioral responses. Sensory processing disorder may affect one sense such as touch, sight, taste or movement. It may also affect multiple senses. In fact, the person may scream when touched or may vomit and dive under the table after hearing the sound of a leaf blower outside the window. Biological symptoms of SPD includes oversensitivity to sound or odors. Physical symptoms include poor balance and posture, delayed gross motor development, impairment is sleep, excessive spin, poor coordination, do not engage a creative way. Psychological symptoms, social isolation, depress, anxiety, aggression, fear from crowd, fear from sudden touch. There are various causes of SPD. One is genetic component, abnormal brain, neurological disorder, injuries to upper neck, exposed to drug, environment and food allergies. Autism spectrum disorder is a disorder that affects development. Here the word spectrum refers to range of symptoms that and their severity. Generally, young children with ASD have difficulty with communication, language, social skill and behavior. In other words, autism spectrum disorder is characterized by social interaction difficulties, communication challenges with the tendency to engage in repetitive behavior. Symptoms of ASD are difficulties with communication, difficulties with language, they avoid eye contact, difficulty with social skill, difficulty in social interaction, touching the same object again and again, tendency to engage in repetitive behavior, sensitive to taste, sound and smell. Causes of ASD are genetic risk factor and environmental causes. OCD is a mental health disorder that affects people of all ages and walks of life. It occurs when an individual gets caught in a cycle of obsessions and compulsion. It can be said that persons with OCD are plagued to constant thoughts of fears that cause them to perform rituals or routines. OCD is a type of mental disorder that causes repeated unwanted thoughts. To get rid of unwanted thoughts, he or she performs the same task again and again. Symptoms of OCD are obsessive thoughts, in which fearing of contamination of germs, excessive focus on religious activity, fearing of losing the things superstitious are involved. Second, compulsive behavior. In it, double checking of things, repeated checking of safety of loved ones, repeating of certain words, spending a lot of time in washing and cleaning, ordering or arranging things, praying excessively, accumulating junk are involved. Causes of OCD. There are 4 causes of OCD: biological factor, genetic factor, infection, and environmental factors. ODD is a set or group of behavioral disorder. It is called by this name because children with such disorder always tend to disrupt those around them. Physicians define this disorder as a pattern of disobedient, hostile, and defiant behavior directed towards authority figures. The individual affected by this disorder usually rebel, argue with adults, refuse to obey, and are obstinate. There are 3 types of symptoms for ODD. They are behavioral, cognitive, and psychological. Behavioral include arguing, fighting, refuse to follow rules, blaming others, willingly break up of friendship, repeated disobedience. Cooperative include, cognitive include frequent frustration, difficulty in concentrating, failure to think before speaking. Psychological, difficulty in making of friends and feeling of annoyance. There are 3 causes of ODD: genetics, biological, environmental, social. Here are some questions to test your understanding. Here is a 3-mark question for ASD. ODD and OCD. As we have already discussed these disorders, we are not going to discuss it, but this is the way you are supposed to attempt these questions in your exam. Here are some practice questions to test your understanding. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.